Are you a student or you're currently on a 9 to 5 job and you want to step up your income or you want some flexibility with regards to your job? Then I've got you, because in this video I'll be sharing with you a website where you can find work from home jobs to free yourself from the hassle of being physically present at work. So stick around with me till the very end of this video. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Grace Ola, and here I share with you tips that helps you move abroad, either through work, either through study. I share with you easier ways, fastest routes on how to migrate abroad without breaking the bank. So if this is something you like to hear, don't forget to like, share my videos, and do well to subscribe as well. There are remote jobs where you can work from anywhere, from Kenya, Canada, US, Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere in the world. You can work and earn good money. So these are what we call remote jobs. There are a lot of people that are actually taking this opportunity and they are earning good money without even going through the hassle of going to work. I mean, being physically present at work. You know, sometimes when you are even at home, you can multitask whilst you work. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first website I want to show you, so this is Alorica. Okay, this is one of the most powerful one. This is one powerful website as well where you can find remote jobs. So you want to click on services. Okay, services. So you can see what we do. You can read that for yourself. Alorica comprehensive portfolio of services solve real problems and deliver consistent results for our clients. We design and deliver customer experiences that elevate your brand and keep your customers coming back. Can you see that? So you see the results you can measure. So these are the results of the things they have done so far. So you see 83% lower cost to serve using Alorica automation for a customer electronics. So Alorica is actually it's a website, I mean a company, it's an IT company basically. Okay, yeah, so let's click on where it says careers, because that's what we're interested in. You click on where it says careers, and then if you want, you can read. It says your career starts here. You can read this for yourself. It says we offer comprehensive healthcare, mental health programs, retirement coverage, tuition reimbursement, and employee discounts. Can you see that? So you can read more further. So it says work local, think global. So with on-site locations and remote opportunities around the globe, your next role is closer than you think. So we have roles in United States, we have roles in Canada. But let's scroll back up and then click on where it says search openings. Search openings. Okay, and then you want to make use of this one. You click on where it says, I mean, you put in your role here, and then you put in the country you are interested in, or you can click on all jobs, and then you're gonna see so many jobs. You see operations experience, human resource, we have flight accountant, we have end user support, we have lots and lots of jobs, guys. Lots and lots of jobs. Can you see that? Lots and lots of jobs. Okay, can you see? Or if you want, you can click on where it says work from home. Work from home. When you click that, you click yes, and then it's gonna show you work from home jobs. See, you see that? Remote healthcare customer service representative. So let's click on one of them and see. So when you click on that, you're gonna see the description. Can you see? Can you see that? So if you want, you can click on apply now. You put in your email address, click I agree, and then next. Can you see that? So that is it about Alorica. Okay, so let's go to the next website, which is IQVIA. So this is how IQVIA looks like. Okay, this is how IQ Via looks like. You want to click on where it says featured careers. So these are the websites we have. These are the roles that they deal with. We have AI and machine learning. We have clinical research. We have clinical research associates, consulting interns, technology, and analytics. Can you see that? Can you see that? So let's click on the first one. Let's click on this one and see what they have. So artificial intelligence and machine learning careers at IQ Via. So let's click on view jobs. So you see, there are lots and lots of jobs when it comes to AI. Senior AI scientist, senior AI ML engineer, so many guys, so many. So let's click on one of them and see. So let's say senior AI scientist, and that is in America. You can see that. So you can read the description. It says we are hiring a senior AI scientist to lead hands-on development of graphic foundation models, knowledge-driven AI systems, blah, 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 blah. I'll leave that for you to read. So you see the key responsibilities here. These are all the things you'll be doing. The required qualifications, you see, okay? You should have strong programming skills, especially Python. So if you're an IT guru, this is for you, okay? Don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on this. Can you see? Okay, and then if you want to apply, you just click on apply now, and that's it. Okay. So you can either autofill your resume, which is your CV, you apply manually, or you use your last application for someone who has used IQ Via already. All right, that is mind-blowing, guys, mind-blowing. All right, so let's click on another one. This is senior tech lead. That's in Hungary, senior tech lead, and click on that. So now there are few key points, few keywords that I want you to take note of. So if you see home based, it means that it's a work from home job. Okay, so you see home based, so you're just gonna work from the comfort of your home. All right, because most of the tech work like AI and all that, all you need is your computer, and then you're working from home. Okay, you don't need to be physically present. Okay, yeah. So you see this one, key qualifications, 8+ years experience. Okay, so I leave that for you to make sure you read the description well to be sure of what is required of you. Okay, now the next website I want to share with you is Y Combinator. Y Combinator. If you want to move abroad and avoid guesswork and avoid wasting your money and wasting your precious time, well, this might be one of the best videos you watch today. So many people want to move abroad, but they don't know the exact step to take. They don't even know which route is best for them or is realistic. And because there are so many information online, it makes so many people confused, and they end up with scammers and people who pose as agents. Some people also end up applying for wrong visas, whereby wasting their money. Well, I've got a solution to this because I have made an ebook that is a step-to-step guide to relocating abroad, either through work, either through study, either through the visitor's visa. I call this book Dream to Departure because it is literally a guide that would make your dream come into reality. This ebook covers 5 major countries. We have Canada, we have United Kingdom, Portugal, Australia, and Germany. In this ebook, you're going to find real websites that you can apply to. You'll find agencies that are actively recruiting all over. You're going to find different visa routes that you can explore and know which one best fits your role or situation. In this ebook, I have simplified all these countries that makes it easier for you to choose the best country that suits you. And on top of that, you're going to find the common mistakes to avoid to get your visa rejected. Not just that alone, in this ebook, I have added free cover letter and CV templates of all these countries that I have mentioned that will make it easier for you to make your applications stand out, which means you're not just learning, but you're actually taking action to make your way to your dream country. So if you're really serious about moving abroad this year and changing your location, go to the description and click the link to download your e-copybook right now. No guesswork, no trial and error, just real information that will get you started. Just one decision you make can change your life completely. Download that ebook right now and thank me later. This is how Y Combinator looks like. This is how the website looks like. So for Y Combinator, what you want to click on, you click on where it says Start Jobs. Click on where it says Start Jobs, and then you click on Find a Job. Or when you just click on Start Jobs, when you click on Start Job by itself, it's going to bring you lists of several jobs. So for Y Combinator, it's mostly for people who are into engineering specifically and other few other roles. So you can see here, there are lots and lots of engineer roles here. So you see, Giga is a company, full stack product engineer, senior front-end developer, and so on and so forth. So let's click on one of them. Let's see, which one should we choose? Let's say senior. So let's choose this one. Let's apply for this one. Let's see. That was 3 days ago. That was posted 3 days ago. So what you wanna do first is to fill in this information, your name, your email, and then you sign up before you can apply. Can you see that? And mind you guys, some of the companies are willing to pay you as much as 1,000 euros every week. So it means that in a month you can earn up to 4,000 euros in a week. That's mind-blowing if you ask me. Honestly, that's massive. So that is it for today's section, guys. So don't sleep on this. A lot of people are utilizing this opportunity and they are making huge amounts of money. Make use of this website that I've just shared. I'm gonna leave all links in the description, and I'm very much optimistic that there is something for someone there. Okay, don't forget to drop in the comment section your role, where you're watching from. Let me know if which of this website you should be going for, or which of the roles you'll be applying for. Okay, and I will further reply you with tips that would help you through the application process. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and as usual, I will see you in my very next one. Until then, bye guys, and stay blessed.